Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins. Today we are starting the day off at GI Automotive in Beverly Hills, about to go on a crazy off-road adventure. But first, we're gonna put the modified 600 LT up against Alex Choi's 720S. So we've got a downpipe and tuned 600 LT versus a 720S with an exhaust. Choi, who do you think's gonna win? Is that you? No, you got him. Damon, I haven't seen this H1 yet.
Yo, I'm gonna show you how it's driven.
Are you gonna show me? This thing is badass.
We break it all the time and it's almost indestructible, so that'll tell you how we drive it.
So what are we doing today?
We're going off-roading at some sort of off-road recreational, like you pay a fee to get in.
Yep.
It's a huge fee, so please like and subscribe to this video because we're gonna make Parker pay the cha-ching $5.
Cha-ching, cha-ching.
And we're gonna put the Hummer H1 against a Lamborghini Urus.
It's over there.
And a 4x4 squared, and apparently a Bentayga is coming.
What? The composer is just vlogging everywhere. What are you doing? So there's a lot of sick cars out here at GI. We got this 430 over here.
Yo. You didn't just point at the 430 and say sick car.
Well, Stradman's got one. It's got to be sick.
Oh, that's right. Got another non-Stradale. We're gonna have to
Why
call...
doesn't the Stradman get a Stradale? What is happening? God damn it, composer.
We gotta start calling him the non-Stradman.
Hi, Mom. Oh my God! Alright, so Alex said the only thing done to his car is an exhaust, which in theory, because my car makes 30 wheel horsepower more than a 720, should be identical. Now, we do have Spencer in the car, and I have a full tank of fuel, and he doesn't, but Choi, I feel like you're hiding some secret tune. That thing's too fast. Alright, so we did 2 runs at the 600 versus the 720S. I'm just calling complete bullshit that your car isn't tuned. But he said he swears on his life, so I believe him. I believe him. We might need to do a slightly higher roll because my car doesn't have any traction, but damn, the 720 is so fast. Definitely a little bit faster. Damn you, Choi! The G-Wagon. The McLaren. Yeah, sorry about those directions. This is actually pretty sick, guys. We got 2 of the fastest road cars in the world and then some off-road beasts. So what would you take? Comment below. The H1, the 4x4 squared, or the Panda Urus. First time in an H1, and I am in the...
Almost hit Choi's car.
And I am in the back, middle seat of the Hummer with my head sticking through the... Oh, I got one question for you.
What?
Why aren't those both Cove speakers 65% off? Link in description below.
Because Sony came at us.
Oh! God!
Oh my God!
3 left!
Yo, he's a man.
Chris! Sorry, 2 right!
Oh my God!
The worst part is we haven't even gone off-road yet. Jesus!
Oh my God! We go faster when we hit dirt. Please. Oh shit!
Oh my God! Damn it! Oh my God!
Oh no!
Okay, this is right. Oh my God! Water's in the interior. Oh, I think I broke my camera. Oh, Sony! Hashtag Sony! I can't even. Ow! 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 Let me out!
Let
me out.
Holy fuck, dude.
David, is this falling?
Things I've learned. Never ride in the back of the car with Damon driving. Other things I've learned, this thing's badass. Holy crap, that was ridiculous. 4x4 coming in hot. Oh my God. See, that is how to properly drive a Urus. It almost looks like my Supra. I was a 4x4.
Sick.
G-Wagon versus Puddle. Might want to roll your window up. Oh my God! I think he's actually crazy. Oh my God, look at him go. Oh! Hey, he's going flat out all the way from there.
You're not ready for this.
I don't think I am.
You're
I don't
not
know.
ready
Look,
for this.
look how fast he's going. Feel sorry to whoever's in that car. Oh my God!
Come on. Come on, Eric.
Hit the puddle!
Okay.
Oh my God! Pretty sick seeing all three of these beasts actually get used as intended. Here we go, Ben, take it through the puddle. So slow and majestic. To the Ritz-Carlton, sir. This lineup is too sick right now. Oh my God! That was epic!
Oh my God.
Oh, yep, that doesn't sound good. That was epic, bro. That was epic. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yep. Okay. Okay. That was so gnarly. Oh my God. Are you okay?
Yo, you good, bro? You good? You good? Airtime!
Wow.
Look, there's part of the truck right there. That was actually insane, dude.
Was
What
it
the
okay?
hell? It was okay. I think you got some air.
Raptor.
What are you holding?
That's how hard.
That's how hard you have to crash for that interior trim pieces to fall off. And he was so close to going into the pit of doom.
Now,
You're lucky.
Here's the thing, come here. That tire is getting into that tire.
Uh-oh. Get Damon, get it out. Well, it might be fine if you close your eyes. That's a good noise. That sounds good. Sounds healthy. Healthy motor. What? Now we're at this part that they call, well, this safety practice training area, but I feel like it's kind of gonna be anything but that because, well, it gets pretty gnarly and Damon's an animal. I never know where he's going. Oh my God. I thought you were coming right at me. Are you ever worried for your life when you work with him?
Every fucking day.
So Damon asked me to take him to a place with some water. I think that'll do. Oh my God. Nope.
Can you close my window?
All right, I thought we'd be filming this from the outside, but oh my God.
You gotta get something from here first. First, we gotta do the hill climb.
Oh my God. Jesus.
Right? Ain't gonna help you in here.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God, are you serious? Oh, oh shit, don't roll it. Oh my God, oh my God. Yep, what the fuck? Oh my God. Oh, wow, okay. Oh my God! All right, thankfully I survived that. Time to get some exterior shots. Oh my God. The car is just leaking mud. Look at that beast up there. That just looks ridiculous. Going for the jump. Oh my God. Holy crap, that was the biggest end of the day. Well guys, that was an epic day off-roading. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button because we got a ton of epic content coming your way. I'm still a little bit salty that my car is a little bit slower than Alex Choi's. Could be the gas, could be the extra passenger, it could be that I need upgraded turbos. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Look forward to seeing you next video.